How to fix copied text not showing in suggestion bar in Gboard Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the copied text not showing in suggestion bar in Gboard. So to fix this issue, what you basically need to do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the general management option or the language and keyword option. So once you're inside here, simply click on this keyboard option, and from over here you'll see the Gboard. Simply click on it, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply click on Clipboard option. Once you click on it, just make sure you have this option called show recently copied text and images in the suggestion bar to enabled. Just make sure this option is enabled, turned on, and that's it guys. That's exactly how you can fix your copied text not showing error issue on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.